Would you like to teach your child to read better and faster than before? And, would you like your child to read better than other children that are even 2 years older than your own? Not only can you start today, you can have your child excel at reading within 2 weeks. And see noticeable improvements from day 1. Would you like to give your child a head start with simple techniques that work? Techniques that are scientifically proven to help your child read quicker and faster. The techniques you are about to learn are guaranteed to work for children as young as 2 years old. These reading techniques also work great for kids up to 9 and even up to 14 years old. But first, here are some startling facts that you may not know. Reading to your child raises their IQ level by over 6 points. Children without basic literacy skills that enter school are 3 to 4 times more likely to drop out. 15 minutes per day of reading equals 1 million words per year of learning content that could easily be absorbed by your child. Just think, if you could spare 15 minutes per day to read to your child using scientifically proven techniques that work. Do you think that would help your child progress? Sure it would. This easy reading program is designed specifically for mothers like you to quickly have your child reading better than other children of the same age. Even if they're as young as 2, don't know their alphabet, and currently show 0 interest in reading. You will get free access to a full video presentation that will tell you all you need to know in order to start teaching your child to read and learn starting today. As well as showing you the full video presentation, you will also get free access to our awesome alphabet flashcards. These fantastic flashcards will help you teach your child to read much quicker. Simply hit the link next to this video. Grab your free alphabet flashcards, then watch the full video presentation.